I'm Kylie Genesio from Illinois Extension, and today we're going to be making a delicious French toast delight. Wash your hands with soap and water. For this recipe, you will need 1 ripe banana, well mashed, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup non-fat milk, a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 slices of 100% whole wheat bread. Beat together mashed banana, eggs, milk, and vanilla in a shallow dish. Warm a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Spray the skillet with non-stick cooking spray. Dip each piece of bread into batter, turning bread to coat both sides. Cook dipped bread on skillet until browned on both sides and batter is firm. And this is our delicious French toast delight.
Eat, move, save.